My name is Dan Gardner, you're watching Chasing Cars, and you join me in Barcelona, where the weather is doing something decidedly un-Barcelona-esque, but it's not dampening my spirits because just a few moments ago, this car was revealed, the very latest model from Cupra. It is, of course, the Terramar. Now, we're not being given a huge amount of information about what this car looks like in Australia, but there are a couple of morsels I want to tell you about. But what I'm going to tell you about first is what it is not. This car is not a replacement for the Ateca because it's actually slightly larger, and the Ateca will continue to be sold alongside this vehicle for the foreseeable future. What it also isn't is a new flagship for the brand, because that mantle falls to the Tavascan. This car represents something far broader. So what I can tell you is it will be sold in global regions with up to 5 powertrains: a normal petrol, a mild hybrid, and a plug-in hybrid. Australia, I can tell you though, will be getting 2 at least from the outset. One is a 195 kilowatt pure petrol version, which actually, for trivia's sake, is the same engine that goes in the updated Golf GTI. It'll also get a full plug-in hybrid electric hybrid drivetrain as well. But there's probably more to talk about a little bit down the line. Pricing, a little bit too far out to talk about at this stage, but a little bird tells me it may start from as little as $55,000. That won't be for the 195 kilowatt or the plug-in hybrid. It might be a little front-wheel drive, slightly lower power version, but more to come in the future. Now, what's really exciting about this car is not just all those details, not just I'm standing next to a car that literally only went global a few moments ago. It is, we're probably going to be among the first people in the world to drive this car, and you want to keep your eyes on this channel because that's coming very soon. On the inside, I'm very pleased to say there is decidedly a family resemblance. Now, we've driven some of the very latest Cupra models in the family, and this is very much a rinse and repeat, but there's some unique touches as well. The layout is very ergonomic, very, very well laid out, this kind of tiered and terraced arrangement on the dashboard, and there's no sort of stitching or traditional materials. Cupra's all about the future and doing something different, but not different for the sake of it, and I really, really like the way this is laid out. Cupra, copper everywhere, be very disappointed if we didn't see that, and huge amounts of technology, digital driver's instrument cluster, slightly evolved versions from the ones we've been driving recently, and around about a 13-inch digital touchscreen in the center there. But what it really comes down to in here is what this car is going to drive like and feel like on the road. If there was only a way we could know that.